Hello everyone, today we're going into the world of unusual health hacks. These are tips and tricks that might surprise you, but they could seriously boost your well-being. So buckle up, get ready to be amazed and maybe even a little grossed out, but hopefully mostly amazed. 1. Spice up your water. Plain water is great, but adding a twist can make it more exciting and potentially beneficial. Try cucumber slices for a refreshing spa-like feel, or add berries for a touch of sweetness and antioxidants. 2. Flossing hack, don't just floss. Flossing is crucial, but here's a bonus tip. After flossing, run the floss between your fingers to clean under your nails. Germs love hiding there, maybe don't mention this while you're eating. 3. Brushing bonus, brush your tongue. Brushing your tongue is a great way to remove bacteria and freshen breath. It can also improve your sense of taste. 4. Chocolate for focus, believe it. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, contains flavonols that can improve cognitive function and memory. Enjoy a small square for a brain power boost. 5. Cold shower power. Okay, this one might be a shocker, but cold showers can improve circulation, boost alertness, and even help with muscle recovery after exercise. Just start slow and see how you tolerate it. 6. Laughter is the best medicine, literally. Laughter truly is the best medicine. It reduces stress hormones, boosts the immune system, and even improves heart health. So find things that make you laugh, watch funny videos, or hang out with positive people. 7. Chewing gum for memory? Maybe. Chewing gum might improve alertness, memory, and reaction time. Sugar-free gum is best, and avoid excessive chewing to prevent jaw strain. 8. Power up your playlist. Listening to upbeat music can elevate your mood, boost energy levels, and even improve workout performance. Find music that gets you moving. 9. Spicy surprise, spice up your life. Spicy foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and may even have pain-relieving properties. Just be careful if you have a sensitive stomach. 10. Dance break, get groovin' for health. Dancing is a fantastic way to get exercise, relieve stress, and have fun. Put on some music and dance like nobody's watching. Even a few minutes can make a difference. 11. Sunflower seeds, snack smart. Sunflower seeds are a great source of healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. They're a satisfying snack that can also help curb cravings. 12. Sun gazing safely. Early morning sunlight exposure can help regulate your circadian rhythm and improve sleep quality. But be safe, never stare directly at the sun and avoid peak sun hours. 13. Desk yoga for the busy bee. Sitting all day can wreak havoc on your body. Try simple desk yoga stretches throughout the workday to improve posture, reduce stiffness, and boost circulation. 14. Apple cider vinegar power. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been linked to various health benefits, from blood sugar control to gut health. Talk to your doctor before trying it, and dilute it properly before consuming. 15. Laughter yoga. It's okay to fake it. Laughter yoga combines laughter exercises with deep breathing. Even fake laughter can trigger the body's relaxation response and provide some of the same health benefits as genuine laughter. 16. Drink warm lemon water in the morning. This age-old practice might aid digestion and hydration. The warm water is soothing, and lemon adds a touch of vitamin C and antioxidants. 17. Cold therapy for headaches and muscle pain. Applying a cold compress to your head or sore muscles can reduce inflammation and pain. It's a simple and effective pain relief method. 18. Get grounded, connect with nature. Spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost your immune system. Take a walk in the park, hike in the woods, or simply sit outside and breathe the fresh air. 19. Gargle with salt water for a sore throat. Salt water is a natural disinfectant. Gargling with warm salt water can soothe a sore throat and help remove irritants. 20. Honey for sleep and cough relief. Honey has antibacterial and soothing properties. A spoonful of honey before bed might help you fall asleep faster, and it can also help ease a cough. Phew, that was a wild ride through some unusual but potentially beneficial health hacks. Remember, it's always best to consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. But hopefully you discovered a few new tips to add to your healthy lifestyle toolbox. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the weird and wonderful world of health hacks. Let me know in the comments below which hack surprised you the most, and what unusual health tips do you swear by. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative health content.